Hello. In a previous example, we had seen how we can load boxes and create pallets per client. We were able to load the SKUs here in the standard cases and pallets window and also create shipments using standard pallets. So now we will show how you can create a shipment, load it, and then separate them, the items in the boxes in the shipment by a client, by a customer. So we first open a new data sheet, box on pallet, and now we just load the shipment in a comma delimited file. Insert shipment. We look for the file. Now we open it. This is a list of boxes, and each one has their amount, and they also have information of where they're going, which is the client number and client ID. So here we will see that we have a new window, a new menu, and we can sort by client ID. We will keep the default pallet here and calculate box shipment. Once we do that, we get 29 pallets. We see some of them are standard, the ones they saved, some are not. And we can select them all. Select all the pallets and create a report. Print report. And here we will see in the report that we have separated them by client. We have a pallet list here. We have 18 pallets that are going to this client, then 07. And then if we scroll down, we will see that we have other pallets that are going to another customer. Here, this one is to the customer 20. We have 4 pallets. And to the customer 11, we have 7 pallets. This report can be exported and can be printed.